How do hair cell regeneration drugs work? Imagine a future where hearing loss might not be permanent. Scientists are exploring ways to make that happen by developing drugs that could help the inner ear grow new hair cells. In humans and most mammals, once hair cells in the inner ear are damaged or lost, they do not naturally grow back. This is why many types of sensorineural hearing loss tend to be permanent. Currently, hearing aids and cochlear implants help manage hearing difficulties, but do not restore the original hair cells or hearing ability. That's why researchers are focusing on drugs that could potentially stimulate the body to regenerate these vital cells. Hair cells are tiny sensory receptors in the inner ear that convert sound vibrations into electrical signals sent to the brain. When these cells are damaged by loud noise, aging, or certain illnesses, hearing can decline. The challenge is that in mammals, supporting cells surrounding hair cells do not usually turn into new hair cells after birth. However, scientists have discovered that specific molecular pathways control hair cell development, and these pathways could be targeted with drugs to encourage regeneration. One key pathway involves notch signaling, which normally prevents supporting cells from becoming hair cells. Drugs called gamma-secretase inhibitors can block this pathway, removing the block and allowing supporting cells to transform into new hair cells. Another pathway involves Wnt signaling, which promotes cell growth and regeneration. Researchers are experimenting with small molecules that activate Wnt to encourage hair cell growth. Some approaches also use genetic tools to reprogram supporting cells directly into hair cell-like cells, aiming to restore hearing more effectively. Most of this research is still in early stages, with animal studies showing promising results. In mice, scientists have used combinations of drugs and gene therapy techniques to successfully regenerate hair cells and improve hearing. Early human trials have tested the safety of delivering drugs directly into the ear, with some evidence of hair cell growth and slight hearing improvements. However, these treatments are not yet approved for widespread use, and much more testing is needed to ensure they are safe and effective. It's important to remember that regenerating hair cells is complex. Challenges include ensuring the new cells properly connect to the auditory nerve and function like natural hair cells. The process from laboratory discovery to approved medication can take many years, involving rigorous testing and regulation. For now, people with hearing loss should continue using proven options like hearing aids and cochlear implants, and consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Looking ahead, the field is advancing rapidly. Researchers are exploring not only drugs but also gene therapies and stem cell techniques to restore hearing. The hope is that one day, these biological treatments could offer a true solution for certain types of hearing loss. In summary, hair cell regeneration drugs work by targeting specific molecular pathways to encourage supporting cells to become new hair cells. While this research is promising, these treatments are still experimental. For now, sticking with established medical treatments remains the best approach. Always consult a healthcare professional to find the most suitable options for your hearing health.